Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account and the correct Windows 10 build. This prevents permission issues. Once confirmed, close unrelated programs and save work so hiding windows won't risk data. Open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC and find the app or window you want hidden. Right-click the process to reveal its window or app name. Make sure you identify the exact window instance. This sets up control over the window, so the next steps modify visibility safely and predictably. Now change where the window appears so it's no longer visible on the taskbar or primary screen. Use Win plus left or Win plus right to snap the window to a different quadrant. Alternatively, create a new virtual desktop with Win plus Control plus D and move the window via Task View to isolate it. If you need stronger hiding, install a reputable window hiding utility and assign a hotkey to hide/unhide. This gives quick toggling without altering system settings. Make sure any third-party tool is allowed by IT. Finish by adjusting taskbar settings. Enable auto-hide and review taskbar behaviors so hidden windows don't reappear in previews. Once done, verify the target window remains off the main taskbar and on the intended virtual desktop or hidden by the utility. If the window returns, check startup apps and background processes that may recreate it and disable those. As a quick fix, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager. If instability persists, consider using System Restore to revert recent changes while keeping user data intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.